While on a 3-day excursion, I discovered this village and immediately fell under its spell. Never before had I seen a combination of such diverse landscapes as those to be found in Murnau.
In this small village south of Munich, Gabriele found her home base. She bought their dream house there. While home comforts were basic, Gabriele and Vasily painted the walls and the furniture, not to mention masses of pictures. Color flooded their decors, palettes, and paintings. The countryside inspired them, as the cycle of nature punctuated their life. Vasily inspired. Gabriele in love. The new environment inspired a real creative surge in the two artists. Working in unison, they could feel their wings grow. In Murnau, the foundations of the paintings produced by Munter and Kandinsky were so close that they merged. From 1909 onwards, the artists' work diverged as each took their own personal path. Gabriele was transformed. The harmony in her relationship helped produce her finest work. She gave free rein to her imagination, narrowing her point of view, outlining solid areas of color within black lines.
After a short period of agony, I took a great leap forward, from the copying of nature in a more or less impressionist style to feeling the content of things, to abstraction.